freezer. Alright, so press again for me. Press. Alright, that explains that. And of course you have the screws there, which I showed, 1/4 inch. First thing you want to do, you want to remove this piece, and a lot of times it's pretty straightforward. You can use a screwdriver, super good twist, and you'll have to hold this to turn it, because you do need to remove this before you can pull it through. You're going to have 3 screws holding this auger motor in place. Let's get it out. All right, so it's lefty loosey. Hold this. Now you can turn. Sometimes it's not even that tight. You can even use your hand. Not in this case. Put a screwdriver. And you're going to push hard. There it is. Set it aside. Chances are you'll need this for your new auger. Pay attention to your wires, where they go. You're going to have blue at the bottom. You're going to have a ground screw. Got to remove that. It's a 1/4 inch screw. It's easier now to get it out than when it's inside, because you have to fight with it then to get the wire back on. Don't lose your screw. It's a machine screw, special thread. And now you have your purple. All right, the motor out. All right. I'm sure we could fix this one, but we're going to replace it. Looks pretty burnt out. Could just be a gear that's not connecting as well. Let me open this one up. Oh guys, I'm so sorry. I thought I was recording. Jeez. Motor is in, pretty straightforward. The blue wire was at the bottom and the purple up top. You have 2 screws in the front, and then you have a 3rd one here. Don't forget your ground screw. Your ground screw is right here. And then of course your 2 screws and your 3rd screw over there. Okay. Now, your auger, again, should go on. Well, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. That's it. Beautiful. All right, and then we're going to put it in. You have to take the ice maker out. This will be pushed in first, then this is last after the ice maker. All right, so now we're getting in the auger assembly. Now, you're going to have two hooks that you need to get in. Once those are in, go ahead and lower, and you're going to have two holes at the bottom, 1/4 inch screws, and get them in, and that secures that. Alright, so we're almost done. We're getting the ice maker itself back in. Make sure you plug it in. I have the unit on. You should unplug yours. Now, be super careful. You're going to make sure you get the water fill tube in at the back of the ice maker. If not, you're going to have a flood and it's going to make a mess. So that's super important that you double check, get that in. Now, after that, you're going to raise the ice maker and you're going to put it over those 1/4 inch screws. Now, when you're removing your ice maker, do not remove the screws fully, just far enough to where you can lift the ice maker out, and makes installation a lot easier. All you do is set it over and lower it. Now we're tightening, and we're going to be checking to see if all is well.
The ice maker.
I like that. You hear that beautiful sound?